Roman numerals. Roman numbers are another kind of numerical notations that were earlier used by Romans in Rome. Various combinations of English alphabets are used to represent a number in Roman numerals. That is 1 with I, 4 with IV, and 10 with X, etc. So to study the Roman numerals, we have to follow some rules also. So let's discuss the rules related to Roman numerals. Rule number 1. There are only 7 alphabets which we can use in modern Roman numerals. The alphabets are I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. I for 1, V for 5, X is for 10, L is for 50, C is for 100, D 500, and M is for 1000. So we can only use these alphabets in Roman numerals. So, and to learn these, to remember this pattern, we can remember in this way that I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. Rule number 2. If any symbol is repeated one after the other, for example, I, and I. If there are 3 I's, so it will be, the total will be 3. Or I, and I like this. This will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. And value of repeated symbol is added. Value of x will be 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30 because x is for 10. Rule number 3. Any symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So we cannot write 4 with 4 times I. This will be wrong. So to write 4, we have to use some other symbol. And 4 is 5 minus 1. So you have to use this method to find the value of 4 in Roman numerals. So you can see it here. This one is correct. This 2 is correct. 3 for 3 eyes, 4 for 4 eyes will be wrong because according to the rule, we cannot repeat any symbol more than 3 times. Rule number 4, place of symbol having smaller value. In this rule, we will study that how can we place the symbols having smaller value. Now, smaller value symbols can be placed either on left side or on the right side of the greater symbol. When a symbol appears before a greater symbol, we have to subtract the value of the smaller symbol from the value of big symbol, the bigger symbol. Like IV, I is smaller than V, so it will be 5 minus 1, 4. IX, 10 minus 1, 9. XL, 50 minus 10, 40. And when a symbol appears after a greater symbol, add the value of the smaller symbol in the value of the bigger symbol. Like VI, 5 plus 1, 6. XI, it is XI, 10 plus 1, 11. LX, 50 plus 10 is 60. So according to rule 4, if the symbol appears before a greater symbol, subtract. If a symbol appears after a greater symbol, add. 5. Symbol V, D, and L never repeated. You can see it here. V, L, and D we cannot repeat. Okay, we can only repeat I, X, C, and M. We can only repeat I, X, C, and M. Rule number 6. To write large numbers, if you want to write more than 1000, what to do in that case? We have only 7 alphabets. To write large numbers, we put a dash over the Roman numbers to indicate that we are multiplying it by 1000. Like you can see it here, V and dash. will represent 5 into 1000, 5000. X dash 10 into 1000, 10,000. L dash 50 into 1000, 50,000. C dash 100 into 1000, it will be 1 lakh. So in this case, in this way, we can represent the numbers in terms of Roman numerals. Now, after discussing all the rules, let's see a Roman number chart here. You can see all the Roman numerals here till 100. So have a quick look and you can see the numbers. In this way, we can write the Roman numbers. So 40 is for XL, like 50 is for L. So before 50, it will be XLIX, that is for 49. So C is stands for 100. So for 90 series, we will write for 91, that is XCI. XCI means we are subtracting 100 from we are subtracting this 10 from 100, which is 90, because XC is 90 and plus 1 is giving us 91. 93, XC, then 3. That means 90 plus 3, 93. Similarly, in case of 81, 81 is L and triple X. That is 50 plus 30 is 80. 80 plus 1 will be your 81. Similarly, for 70 series, for 60 series, and for 50 series, it will be like that. So after practicing all the rules, you can easily write the numbers in Roman numerals. Thank you.